Leave him alone.
Yeah, huge break for DPS in this case. Like you said, it's been 3 weeks since this investigation began, since the shootings began. And finally tonight, DPS can say they have a suspect in custody. The suspect is Leslie Allen Merritt Jr. And while DPS Director Frank Milstead not saying a lot about the suspect during his news conference, we did find out a lot about him on social media. He has a Facebook page, or there is a Facebook page that appears to be linked to the suspect.
No, stop.
Les Merritt Jr.
I'm going to like go towards
and on
it.
that Facebook page, several posts, many posts about guns and rifles. The posts are pro-gun, pro-Second Amendment.
So
there are
silly.
several posts and even a video on there of the suspect shooting guns as well. So from what we gather on his Facebook page, we're finding that he is into guns. Also on that Facebook timeline, several anti-government rants, and interestingly enough, also several posts of news stories related to the ICE investigation, including sharing stories that we covered on Fox 10 about the investigation.
Look at this, it's so funny.
Again, DPS Director not saying much about the suspect, but this is indeed his Facebook page, and it is linked to him. There are several things on that Facebook page that appear to be related to the shooting investigation. Mainly all the links and the shares that articles that he shared about the I-10 shooting investigation.
His eyes look so funny on the video.
These eyes?
Yeah. They all glow green.
They will have him in custody for
Right, stop throwing them
after
on.
he's done being questioned, he's expected to
Back up,
into
please. Back up.
4th Avenue jail. All of this developing starting right around 7 o'clock this evening
Raya,
when the
go.
governor sent out that tweet saying we got him. So a huge break, a huge night for DPS. A shooter in custody, a suspect in custody being questioned right now. And interestingly enough, all of this happening on the same day that the person of interest who was originally taken into custody over a week ago, those charges against that person, Oscar Munoz, has been dismissed.
This is gross,
and he is
D.
being